What up, guys? It's your boy, Mr. Gentleman T himself. Welcome to my YouTube analysis. This is a daily analysis. This is for Monday, guys. All right. Okay. Start on a monthly. Doing Gbpusd, starting on a monthly. So we all see that the whole movement is to the downside. But then we don't analyze this because we're not investors, we're traders. So, like I said, it's a day trader thingy. So I hope you guys understand. Let me take it to a daily. I don't want to waste anyone's time. If you enjoy the content that I'm giving you, please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Please. Okay, taking it to a daily. Okay. All right. On a daily, it's like this. All right. So, guys, I'm not saying you can down with me or what, but I'm just doing this for those people who think, feel like maybe they didn't see it that way. So I'm only doing this for those guys. If you feel like no, you know what you're doing, then it's okay. Good job. So on our way down, guys, you can see that it broke a very strong trend line. This is like a monthly trend line, maybe a weekly trend line that has been broken right here. So guys, yeah, it's a monthly. You can all see that we broke right here and we're going down. So let me not waste anyone's time. Quickly go to a 4 hour timer. So we can all see our highest high right here, our lowest previous low is right here. Okay, guys, let me show you this other trend line that is right here. You cannot underestimate this trend line, you guys. It's there, but some people couldn't see it. Exactly right there. Exactly right there. Right. Not to forget that right now the market is trending exactly at this point. It could be falling all the way down to this point, which is next. Right here. So according to me, I traded a 1 hour time frame. So according to me, you guys, this is what I think is going to happen. I think the market will reject this area, come back to test this trend line, continue all the way down since we're moving on a downward trend. This is what I'm thinking, all the way down. So it could possibly, yeah, exactly like this. So let me show you this area too, guys. I don't want us to confuse ourselves. This area, this is the previous area we've broken through, and it has been retested. It can be clear enough on the 15 minutes. You know, see that the area has been retested right there, and we're going all the way to the downwards. But now we haven't really retested the trend line. It's a major trend line that has to be retested by saying a big one. I mean, we cannot all underestimate this, guys. This, we cannot all underestimate this guy. One, two, and three. You do also that, and then all the way down. So just wait for it to go back up here. So for me, really, I don't enter a trade when it's going down. I don't really buy a trade when it's on a selling point. No, I don't do that. So I'll wait for it to go here. On this pair, I'm only going to sell. Okay, guys, let's move on to the next one. Let's move on to Usdcad. I'm just diving into one. Let me start afresh. Because already you can see, guys, that on this one, what am I doing now? I want you guys to see this thing with me. I don't want shortcuts. I don't want people to think, hey, I'm making this up. No, I want you guys to see this thing with me. So, all right. On this pair, apparently highest high is here. So trading below the highest high. Trading below the highest high. We've been trading below the highest high for a very long time. But then we made this lowest low and then we traded above this lowest low. So the meantime of the market right now, it's clear enough we're going to the upside. If I'm wrong, then I guess this will be playing its part that we're still moving to the downside. So this is the major high. This right here is our highest high. And then right here is where we rejected on the very same level. We never broke above. So we're going downwards. It's a two-way street, guys. Okay. It's a two-way street. On to the next one. On the weekly. Okay, on the weekly it's clear enough. On the weekly it's clear enough because we can all see that. Okay, trending to the downwards. Trending to the downwards. You can all see how it came down, corrected to the upside, and then continued down and touched this area. Went it again up, and then now it's short to the downside yet again right here. So it's easy. It's easy. Let me know. Just I don't want to, you know. Let me just go straight to 4 hour. Exactly that. Exactly that, you guys. Okay. First thing first. These smaller yana things, you don't want to. Really don't want to skip them because these are what are showing us what's really happening in the market. Sorry for that. Normally, I'm a guy who at points like this, what I'd normally do is take this, use this, and then just put it exactly like that, and this one stays like this, exactly like that, because this rejection sticks out can be a little bit confusing, a little bit, especially this one. Let's dive into deep on this one. Okay, before we do that, highest high on a 4 hour. Boom, exactly right there. As you can see, I didn't go here for a reason. Care to ask if you feel like you have a question. So this pair, when I saw it the last time, this is exactly what's happening right now. All right, this the second shoulder, boom, right there, and all the way to the upside. Clear head and shoulder pattern. Very, very clear, guys. Very, very clear. You don't want to go back and forth with it. Okay, this is how it is. Let me show you how it is. This is how it is. Let me show you how it really is. This is how it is. I want to show you something very quick before we go into deep with it. Boom, exactly right here. So we can see, guys. We can see. I'm not showing you something that is not it, something that doesn't exist. You can all see all the way down rejected on this area. It went down, but then when it went up, it didn't really get anywhere near this area. So that's the left shoulder to the right, left. Either way. So and then it corrected and then broke, came back. But when it broke, it tested the very respected trend line of ours. And then came here, went back in, rejected at the very same area which it did here before, and came down the very same area and then corrected all the way to the upside, you guys. I want you to see how it corrected, and I ate you guys, I ate. I don't want to lie. See, as it did this, ooh, ooh, it's easy. It's easy, you guys. It's easy. It's not rocket science. It's easy. It's easy. You know, as you can see, correct, nice and perfectly to the upside, nice and easy. But then, what I am not showing you is someone might be wondering why is it that the market is pushing all the way to the outside, but it hasn't tested this area. Well, it didn't test this area because it had already tested this area right here. As you can see, this market rejected right here, right here. So it tested this area, as you can see right here. Right here, you guys, it has been tested right here. Right here. So it's nice to, you guys. And then now it's trading above this. So which if it closes above here, this is what's going to happen. If it closes above here, it might come. I don't want you guys to be left behind. I don't like that. I want us guys to be on the same page. See this area, push, come back rejecting here. So do this area, push, break above, testing this area, break. Very same thing happens, rejects, and come. So this is a very serious area. I cannot. So what will happen is you can only see this clearly if you go down to the 15 minutes. I don't have time for that. I'll probably do this during the week just for you guys. And then this is what might happen according to me. This is touch this area, come back for a proper retest, and then go and touch this area of ours. You understand? So hence, like you guys saw, I'd already done this. Placed an entry right here, all the way here. I don't care what will happen along the way. Just below the buffer zone, just below the buffer zone. And then I know me, because I'm that guy, this is what I would do at the very same time. I know myself. I want money. I like money. Me, it will push and test this area. I'm already in profit. I take my profit, comes back down, and then I enter the very big one. Or I just might as well just enter the boat at the same time. Then when it touches here, come back to retest. I let it flow because this one I won't give it much of my attention. It's either I'm gonna enter it in a 4 hour or a 1 hour. It's still a thing. So thank you very much, guys, for taking your time and watching. And like I said, I'm doing this for these other people, guys. You, my people. Thank you very much for watching. I love you, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, share with your friends, and comment. Just a beginners, you guys. Nothing major. Like I said, it's Mr. Gentleman T, and we out.